I'm here. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today I'll be doing an unboxing video of Doc Martens vegan shoe. And the official name for these boots are the Vegan 1460 Smooth Black Combat Boots. So there were like just a bunch of different Doc Martens. I didn't know which one to choose. I was like kind of overwhelmed. I didn't know which one was the shoe to get. But this one had a lot of reviews on Amazon, and it was cheaper than the other 1460s. The non-vegan Doc Martens are around $50 more. I got it in a size 8. I'm actually normally an 8.5. It was delivered just now, so I thought I'd do a quick unboxing video. Here's the box, Dr. Airwear Martens. I never tried on Doc Martens in person before in an actual store. I probably should have before I bought these. Here's the inside of the box. What I'm like a little bit worried about when I'm buying it off of Amazon is whether it'll be authentic or not, but so far everything looks alright. Okay, these are adorable. They look way better in person. Looks like a really nice quality. Ah, there's a little tear right here. Okay, they smell new. Here are the bottoms. Everything is brand new. When you're ordering it off for Prime, there's an option to get it off Prime Wardrobe where you could try it for a while, and if you don't like it, you can send it back and they don't charge you at all. The only thing is that you'll have to wait like a week or a little bit longer for them to come in the mail. It says Airwear on the tag. So these are the vegan Doc Martens. I can't tell by just looking at it that they're not leather or anything. They look really nice, honestly. They don't look like cheap Forever 21 shoes. What I like about the Doc Martens shoes is that they have a slight heel to it, so it might be a little taller. I was debating between this or the J-Dawn shoes, which is like a more platformy kind of heel that was like this thick, but I read that it was a little heavy. So I decided to just go with these for so I can just wear it every single day. But if I do end up liking these, I might just end up purchasing the J-Dawn shoes. So the reason why I got the vegan docs versus like the real leather docs is because, well, it was cheaper. I'm not particularly against using animal products or anything, but like I eat meat, so if I were to say I wouldn't wear like animal products, that'd be very hypocritical of me, and I think it's just a good thing to use all the parts of the animals. Anyways, these are the front of the shoes. Back. I heard that the vegan shoes are also supposed to be a lot easier to break into. If you guys don't know, well, I don't personally know, but this is what I read online, that Doc Martens are supposed to be really hard to break into, and some people even get blisters from wearing them. But for the vegan shoes, it's supposed to be like a lot softer, I believe. I read some people also don't even need to break into it and that they just wear it straight away. My only concern is I saw like a bunch of photos on Amazon of people with like ripped up Doc Martens. I feel like you'd have to like really trash your shoes to get to that point. None of my shoes, no matter how cheap or expensive they've been, never ripped ever, so I got Doc Martens because I heard that they're gonna last for a while. I bought a pair of boots that weren't Doc Martens a long time ago for like around $100 or something, and they lasted me for over a year or two, and I just remember wearing it like every single day. For like $100 for something that I'm gonna wear every single day would definitely be worth it, versus something that you spent maybe $30 on and then you only would wear it a handful of times before you feel like the quality isn't there anymore. Well, I'm gonna put these on now. I'm on my bed, but these are brand new shoes, so I should be good, right? So I heard that when you're breaking in new Doc Martens that you're gonna need to wear like at least 2 layers of socks. And don't wear like those thin low cut socks either, because those aren't gonna cut it for these. Well, what I heard is around the cuff area is like really tough, so you're gonna like feel some pain there for a couple days or maybe weeks even, but once you break these shoes in, it's supposed to be worth it. But be sure to put on socks when you're wearing these. And real socks too. Like the smell of like newness just like shot out and hit my face as I was putting this on. It's I know I got my shoes dirty. Oh no, it's just shiny. I'm already getting like a crease right here, which is unfortunate. It does feel like it needs breaking into. It's like really stiff right now, and I do feel like the stiffness up here mostly. Everything else around my feet and the soles of my feet, they feel great. They're like super comfy down here, but it's just like right here, it just feels like it's kind of like not extremely uncomfortable, but it does feel like it's a little tight here. I was a little bit worried because Doc Martens, they don't come in like half sizes at all, but I'm a true 8.5. I normally cannot wear a size 8 like at all. I almost forgot that these were even a size 8 until I just like looked at my Amazon app right now. Okay, these shoes are like super heavy and I've been holding onto them with my hand the entire video and my wrist is starting to ache. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to watch my previous video. Follow me on all my social media sites. They're all at Hungry Moo Moo Cow. And tell me what you think about Doc Martens and how did you break into yours or any advice on how to break into them at all? And what other style would you recommend other than these vegan ones that I got? And bye!